Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk about 7 things every software developer, every software engineer should do regularly to become a better software developer. Before we do that, let me introduce myself. My name is Florian. I'm a computer scientist, software engineer, and software engineering manager. I have more than 20 years experience writing software to earn money in web development, in application development, app development, but also in embedded systems. So what are 7 things that every programmer, every software developer, every software engineer can do to get better at programming, at software engineering, at maybe managing software engineers, leading software engineering teams? First thing that I recommend, regardless whether it's about software engineering or something else, is set aside time every day or every week to read a book on a topic that you want to learn about. That can be a technical computer science book, that can be a book on software engineering, software management, that can be a book about concepts in general, design patterns, things like the Programmatic Programmer. I will leave some suggestions down below in the description, but of course there is a lengthy list of books that you can read. Important is that you do it and that you have this regular habit of doing it, because everything you read at some point will be helpful for you. Of course, you can also, if you don't want to read books, read technical blogs, read technical papers, right? Just to get also some ideas there. The other thing that I would recommend is not only doing this for fields that are related to what you are actually doing, but also other fields, right? Maybe you're interested, if you are a software engineering manager, in psychology or in how to motivate people. So that might also be interesting, just to widen your horizon. Number 2, listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos on software engineering. There is no easier way to learn something than, just having it on your ears while you go out for a run, while you do some sports, while you're washing the dishes, or after a long day at work, when you just sit on the couch, watch a YouTube video, and learn a little bit about new concepts. Maybe you are not fully focused on what you're hearing there, but you get some keywords, some buzzwords, right? And you might be able to come back later on with full concentration to learn more about the topic. And I personally also use this to sort of get an idea of what books to read next, what are things that are interesting for me, and so on. The third thing that I recommend is attend conferences, attend talks, right? Right now in the pandemic, it has never been easier to attend conferences than before. You can just join online, right? You can just join, you can hear the talks, you can ask questions via chat, and just get this experience of information exchange, get confronted with new ideas, have fun at what you are doing. That's the best way to get better every day. When you enjoy what you are doing, you automatically will get better, because you also then enjoy learning. Number 5, discuss problems with your coworkers. You might be really surprised on how much you can learn by a good discussion with a coworker. Even if you just talk to the person and the act of explaining is helping you to understand your problem in a much deeper and much better way. More on that also in my How to Get Unstuck with a Rubber Duck video that I will link up here. But that's really important, the interaction, talking about different solutions and so on with your coworkers. That really helps broaden your horizon, looking at different perspectives and so on. Number 6, try to help others solving their problems. First of all, there is nothing that's more satisfactory than just helping others solving their problems. And of course, while you are doing that, you learn a lot. You learn why they got stuck, right? You can help them in little steps, depending on your skill level. Also, not just give them the answer right away, right? The most effective way to do this and to help someone is by asking questions. And then just listening. And then, of course, try something new, right? I can't tell you how often I have heard from engineers that I've worked with, oh, that's written in Java, but I only know C, or that's written in Python. Oh, I don't know how Python works. I can't do that. If it's about production code, right, you should not make any experiments. But if it's about a tool, if it's about something simple, why not, right? Learn Python, watch a couple of YouTube videos, and then try to solve the problem. The same works with Java. And this will give you a much better insight in the concepts of computer science, the concepts of software engineering. When you have worked in web development all your career, maybe try an embedded systems project with an Arduino, right? Just to figure out how this works, write a little bit something in C. It's drastically different to do React and JavaScript and connecting wires on an Arduino and figuring out which port is which one and debouncing a signal there. And you learn stuff there that will help you also in your day job. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please smash the like button and leave a thumbs up for me. If you want to watch more videos in the future about how to become a better software engineer, how to become a better software developer, how to go the step from programmer to software engineer and advance your software career, please subscribe to my channel and I see you in the next video.